Within vertical farms and glasshouses, hydroponic systems rely on substrates to support plant roots and facilitate water and nutrient uptake. Common materials include stone wool, cocoa coir, or peat. However, these are unsustainable for various reasons. Stone wool, for instance, is highly energy intensive to produce, is non-biodegradable. Cocoa coir must be transported from Asia as it's not grown locally, and the production process requires high water consumption. Peat for use as a growing media will be banned in England from 2024, as when it's extracted from peatlands, the carbon stored inside the bog is released as carbon dioxide, contributing to climate change. As global demand for CA production increases, an alternative growing media that can help decarbonize the sector, meet growth specification and compete on price is needed.
The Gelponics project is about producing the innovative substrate which can be sustainable and lightweight that can be used to replace any unsustainable substrates such as rock wool or peat.
AEH is a startup founded in late 2018 by myself, Dr. Bini Sadiq, to develop sustainable products for agri-tech and medical sector. AEH won initial funding from the Ali and Brit Harari Graphene Enterprise competition. The company had a major breakthrough in 2020 when it won a 1 million grant from Innovate UK to develop a new gelponic growing medium for vertical farming. AEH is currently based in the University of Manchester Graphene Engineering Innovation Centre.
AEH is a great example where initially it's one person with an idea who enters a competition, wins a prize. So they've gone from that initial experimentation, doing everything themselves, through to actually creating jobs, creating new products, working with partners. And as a geek, we've been able to support that in terms of space, in terms of measurement equipment, but also in terms of skills and capability.
CHAP has carried out a series of trials within the Vertical Farming Development Centre to test and develop the AEH hydrogel sheets at a semi-commercial scale. Early stage trials have focused on hydrogel sheet prototype development through comparative assessments between different hydrogel formulations designed by AEH, as well as current commercially standard substrates such as stone wool and coconut coir. Once the best performing candidates had been selected, we moved on to product improvement and optimization, ensuring that the final product will be suitable for the diverse CEA grower market.
We've conducted 5 trials in total within the CHAP Vertical Farming Development Centre, located at Stockbridge Technology Centre, as part of the Gelponics project. So each trial was conducted for up to 30 days under standard environmental parameters, with harvesting when plants reach full baby leaf specification. Crops selected to trial different hydrogel formulations were typical of current vertical farm production, including lettuce, rocket and basil. Later optimization trials featured a more diverse crop selection, including kale, sorrel and microgreens such as microradish and pea shoots. Throughout the trials, we assessed germination success, plant morphology and cropping uniformity. We also carried out sampling of the nutrient solution and leaf tissue for evaluation of plant health and solution chemistry. All of the data gathered could then be used to draw comparisons between different hydrogel formulations and also against other commercially standard substrates.
The Gelponic project's been a really interesting one. One, it's a classic collaborative R&D, which is what we fund a lot of. That means that a technology company like AEH are working then with other partners to deliver a solution where they brought a bit of the technology but need to work with other partners. So that collaboration is really important. What's also been very attractive in this project is that CHAP project manage and be involved in the trials. That meant that AEH themselves can focus on the technology rather than the project management, which I think has been an additional benefit within this consortium. The other thing that's really important for most of the projects we fund is we want to make sure that it's realistic for end users. So working with the facilities that they've been accessing and some of the customers that have been involved is really important to make sure that the end product is hopefully best fit for the customer's needs. I think this is really exciting. One, vertical farming is a growing area. Despite some of the challenges that they've had, it's a sector that has really matured in the last 5 years. So when we funded this project, it's probably fair to say there wasn't many large vertical farms. But this technology that has been developed in Gelponic now has a route to really large facilities.
The project propelled the company's growth. During this time, we were successful in securing private investment exceeding £1.5 million with an additional commitment of £2 million from Canadian investors. By engaging with our 35 influential indoor growers from across the globe, AEH established itself as a trusted partner on a global scale. The project has not only resulted in the filing of one impactful patent, but also holds the promise of another groundbreaking patent to be filed upon project completion. CHAP has been an invaluable partner to AEH throughout the grant writing process, playing a major role in securing funding from Innovate UK. Working with CHAP has been a truly remarkable experience thanks to their friendly and highly knowledgeable team. Not only did CHAP provide exceptional project management, but they also offered invaluable technical advice to enhance our product. We had the privilege of utilizing their world-class facilities to validate our hydrogel substrate, ensuring it meets the requirement for commercialization. Furthermore, CHAP facilitated crucial introduction to numerous growers, which significantly accelerated the global traction of our Gelponic product. The collaborative efforts between AEH and CHAP have been instrumental in our success, laying a solid foundation for growth and innovation.